he's going to get a little bit more over. So I think you can see he's going to be able to back up to the Model T. So I'm going to get the door open. Of course, the steering isn't connected. We just found that out. So we got to turn the wheels to get it on. So that's coming up next. He's coming up the hill. Stay tuned for another installment. Greetings from the road. So what he's doing is he's tying off with a block and tackle to the side of his trailer because he's going to try to get that more at a straight angle. We're going to see if it rolls, and if not, I've got to play with the transmission bands. He's taking a picture. So we're going to see if this is going to move at all. I guess it doesn't make any difference. It's moving. So the good news is it's moving. It's rolling, which is good. Okay, so now I'm gonna pause and we're gonna turn the wheels and get it on the deck. Greetings from the road. So we were able to get it to roll. So now he's taking that block and tackle off. We can turn the front wheels. They're tied together, even though the steering wheel isn't. He's gonna load it down there. This is going a lot smoother than I thought. Again, these guys, I have nothing but the utmost respect for a tow truck driver or rollback operator. And this is really a pleasure for them because usually they're going out on accident scenes and dealing with carnage. And this is a nice break for him to be able to do something like this, you know. So there's a jack there I'm gonna grab. Looks like we're going to be able to get it on the trailer. Greetings from the road. We've been at it all day. All the tires were supposed to be up holding air. Doesn't look like it's holding air. In fact, it looks like it's dry rotted. So we got 2 bad tires on this. Steering's supposed to be connected, but it wasn't. But the wheels will turn. So the linkage is connected. We got the second one. Made it up and get it into the trailer. The reason it's critical to have the tires inflated and holding air is when you have 1 or 2 bad tires, it'll pull to the side that the tires are flat, and then it tends not to roll. And it just makes loading a pain in the ass. So get your tires up, get them replaced if possible. I know it really wasn't possible in this case, given the fact that this sat in that building for like a really long time. But we're fixing to load the second one, so I'll probably be here another hour at least. Okay. What's that?
Oh, it's Dr. Jim.
Oh.
It's nice, but I wouldn't want it. I got a 56 with a big block in it, and I never drive it because I just... Hey, you guys pop my bird.
Okay.